One morning, the forest was still there. The trees stood tall, the soil was damp, and mist drifted slowly through the branches. But something was missing. There were no birds. The familiar rustling through the leaves was gone. There were no footprints, no frightened glances. The forest was silent, and this silence hadn't formed overnight. Forests don't die in a day. Like hearts, they give up slowly. At first, something small happens. One tree is missing, then another. A person might say, "What's the big deal?" and look at the vast forest. But the forest doesn't work with mathematics, it lives by balance. The shadow of a tree disappears, an animal's nest vanishes. A nest disappears, a chick isn't born. When a chick isn't born, a path isn't used. When a path isn't used, another line is erased from the forest's memory. The forest notes this, not by shouting, but silently. Animals are the first to notice. Humans look but don't see, animals feel. The earth doesn't smell the same. The wind changes direction. The night is harsher, the day sharper. A herd of deer stops on a path they've used for years. One of them lifts its head. It stops, because the forest is no longer safe. The trees are still trees, but the shade no longer protects. The water still flows, but its taste has changed. Silence spreads. First the birds leave, no one notices. Then the insects decrease, no one cares. Yet when the insects leave, the seeds are not carried. When the seeds are not carried, the forest ages. When the forest ages, the animals go hungry. The hungry animals say goodbye. Humans still ask the wrong question. Why did the animals disappear? Nature doesn't answer, because the question is wrong. The right question is, what did we destroy? The forest doesn't drive the animals away, it becomes unable to protect them. That's why the animals don't flee, they migrate. Migration is not panic, it's a decision. And this decision is distilled from thousands of years of wisdom. One day, humans return. The trees are still there. But life is gone. Humans are surprised. The forest is there, but the animals are gone. Yet the answer has already been given. When the forest abandoned its animals, it actually abandoned humans as well. Because where the animals leave, the water leaves, the land leaves, and fertility leaves. All that remains is a green shell. A setting devoid of life. Inside, that's it, and it leaves only one sentence for those who remain. If a forest has fallen silent, it has already told its story.